Those who believe in the hereafter, they believe in this book and they protect their salah. And those who believe in the hereafter, والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على صلاتهم يحافظون. So a sign of the acceptance of Iman and acceptance of believing in the day of Qiyamah and believing in Allah is that we should protect our salah. We should protect our salah. We should protect our salah. So this is the verse which we learn from, that the Quran is for all the people and it's not just for the Arabs, as the Quran said, وَلِتُنذِرَ أُمَّ الْقُرَى وَمَنْ حَوْلَهَا, and the entire world. And also it is the responsibility of the people who have been given the Quran to convey it to others. This should be their mission in life.